I'm Larry with Polygon. Today I'm visiting our document recovery center in Glen Burnie, Maryland at our Amherst location. Today we're going to share the process with you and show you how the documents flow through the building. Our emergency response team arrives on site, packs out the documents, creates an inventory that we agree on with the customer before we leave the site. We bring it back to this facility where it'll then be staged and loaded into our blast freezer. Once we inventory the documents, we put them in stabilization, which is freezing them to -10 degrees before they go into the freeze-dry chamber. We've frozen the documents to -10 Fahrenheit. We transport them into our state-of-the-art vacuum freeze-dry chamber. This chamber then removes the moisture as a vapor, which is referred to as sublimation, and we also have the ability to set a special recipe for the drying based on the type of material, whether it's historic or books. Once the documents and books have been dried, they may need to go through a cleaning process using a dry microbial sponge, a HEPA vac with a brush. This is done on material that might have been subject to non-clean water. So that could be a gray or a black water. And once that is complete, it may need to go through an odor neutralization process or also go through gamma irradiation to sterilize the documents so that they are safe to use for you and your employees. The final stage in the process is to box the documents up. We attach a label that matches the inventory, ready the boxes for shipping. If you have any more questions or need any more information, please visit amherststore.com or give us a call.